This channel is making over $35,000 per year, and it isn't even a year old. In fact, it has less than 50K subscribers, yet it is bringing in insane revenue. So in this video, I will show you how to set up a channel just like this one and earn passive income even more than this channel did. And the best part is everything will be done using only AI tools that are absolutely free.
Wow, this is gonna be really easy.
All the way from creating a script to voiceover and background music. Everything will be an automated process. To make things even better, you need less than 30 minutes to create a single video, unlike all the other passive income streams. So if you want to generate another easy income stream, stick until the end, because each and every second is important. Let's begin. To create any YouTube video, you first need a script, so let's head over to ChatGPT. But you can also use any other AI tool you like, such as Bard from Google. However, I always recommend ChatGPT because it is the most advanced AI and carries out the instructions almost flawlessly. Also, ChatGPT word selection and formation of sentences is much better than any other tool in the market. Ask ChatGPT to give you the names of 25 animals to teach children. From the provided list, select 7 to 15 unique animals the children may not know. This will ensure our video is educational and helps children with their vocabulary. This can also help us get more views.
Nice.
Copy and paste your list of animals and use the following prompt to generate a goodnight paragraph for each animal. Just like that, in only a few short seconds, you have a full script for an entire video. Isn't it amazing how AI works? However, I would still advise you to edit the generated paragraph so they have some emotion in them so children can enjoy the video even more. Once you have finalized all the paragraphs into one single script, we can move on to generating the images. For image generation, I will use Bing by Microsoft. You can use the famous Midjourney or DALL-E too, but Bing is absolutely free and provides incredible results. To get started, go to Google, search for Bing AI Generator, and create your account. All of these images that you can see were generated using Bing AI, and if you hover your cursor over the image, you can even see the prompt used to generate them. These at the top are your credits, which you will use to generate results. Click on the bar at the top and type in your prompt. Remember to put a comma and then type in the style of your image. For example, I did children's illustrations because that is the perfect style for our video. I would suggest you generate 3 to 4 images for each animal that go along with their respective script.
Okay.
I generated an image of a dolphin leaping, playing with fishes, and lastly, sleeping at night. All of these 3 go with the paragraph I previously generated. Now, I won't do this for every animal, because we don't have enough time, but just enough for you to understand how to make the videos. Now it's time to generate a voiceover for our video. Head over to play.ht for the best AI voiceover. After testing several voiceovers, I have found that this is the perfect one because it's completely free and provides several free AI voices that sound incredibly human-like. To create voiceovers, create your account, and then you will be directed to this interface. Clear the pre-written paragraph and copy-paste your script here. Before we divide it into paragraphs, click on the pink text that says Laris to change the voiceover artist. As I have mentioned before, there are several human voiceovers that you can choose from, but for these videos, I will search for a meditation voiceover. I really like Charlotte's voice, so I selected it and then clicked on confirm. Now you can divide the sentences into different paragraphs by pressing Enter key on your keyboard. This helps make your voiceover a lot smoother than before and also helps us edit later. Click on Generate All Paragraphs, and voila, you have your voiceover. As you can see, I adjusted the pauses a little to make it more human-like. This is why we did paragraphing in the first place. Let's listen to our final voiceover.
Meet Danny the dolphin. He spent his day leaping through the sparkling waves, playing with his friends and hunting for tasty fish.
Wow, that's insane!
After you are satisfied with what you have, click on Export and select the second option. Before we move on to putting everything together, we are still missing one thing, the background music. For that, we will use Artlist.io. This is a completely free royalty-free music library unlike other websites. Remember to be extremely careful when choosing royalty-free music because oftentimes the one found on YouTube is actually copyrighted music and can result in your channel being taken down if you use the music. Click on Start Free and create your account. Now you have access to an incredibly large library of music. To find the perfect background music, go to Moods, then select Peaceful. I liked this ambient music, so I clicked on the download icon and it was exported to my device. Finally, we have everything we need for a video. It's time to put everything together and create our final masterpiece. Go to Canva and click on Videos. Scroll until you find YouTube videos. Choose that. Now let's import our data onto Canva. Go to Upload in the left menu and click on Upload Files. Import the images, voiceover, and music. To put the image on the canvas, drag and drop it on the canvas. You may have noticed the image does not fit the entire screen. Unfortunately, for now, AI only generates images in this dimension, but don't worry. Let me show you a simple trick. Adjust the image to fit the entire canvas. Then click on the image and go to Edit Photos. Select the blur effect and increase the intensity to above 50. Now go back to the Upload section and drag and drop the image on the blurred picture. Adjust the image and now it looks so much more better. To add in the next image, click on the plus sign and add in the next image. Repeat the same process. Once you're done, go to the audio section and add your voiceover and background music. As you can see, I kept adjusting and readjusting to ensure the images went along with the voiceover. Let's have a look.
Playing with his friends and hunting for tasty fish.
The way the images transition is pretty awkward. Let's fix that. Hover your mouse between two images and click on Add a Transition. There are multiple ones you can select, but I like the dissolve one, so I will go with that. Click on Apply between all pages so you don't have to repeat the process. Now let's watch the video again.
Meet Danny the dolphin. He spent his day leaping through the sparkling waves, playing with his friends and hunting for tasty fish. As the sun dips below the horizon, Danny finds a quiet spot in the ocean to rest. Good night, Danny Dolphin. May your dreams be as playful as your day.
Perfect. It looks so much more smoother now. I really like this. You can do this for all the other animals and then export your video. But if you want to grow your channel even more than the one I show, you will need to do two things. Make your content unique, because if you are different from your competition, people will like your videos more and you will attract a wider audience. To do that, you can go to the website called Fiverr and hire freelancers over there for as less than $5. They can animate videos for you and even do voiceovers, but I recommend doing this after you start generating some revenue from your channel. The second thing is posting consistently. The YouTube algorithm favors the channels that post videos on a frequent basis, so keep creating such simple videos and post them often. By focusing on these two aspects, you can easily earn thousands per month. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Until next time, goodbye.